Hello, I am Malaran. In this video, we will look into smart wallets, how we can integrate wallet with AI agentic technology so that it can automate tasks for us. In the previous video, we described about what is an AI agent and how AI agent is playing a vital role in the crypto world. So if you have any questions or if you want to understand what is an agent or how agent can be used in the crypto, please go and watch my previous video, and also I'll provide the link here. So the main purpose in this video we are going to discuss is how we can use the crypto wallet and integrate with AI agent so that it will perform the task for us with our intention, what we want to do. So we'll go through each one of those and then see how we can able to use the agent technology within the wallet. So a self-managing wallet is it's not a trading bot or a black box. It is basically a programmable account that you set rules and it enforces those rules based on the policies and the rules you set, and also it listens to your commands and then it works for you to make your life easy. Basically, that's all it is, and you can able to provide what are all the tasks it can do, it can't do, and what are the tasks it needs to ask your permission before performing it. You set it up in a policy document that is specific to you, and then it uses the policy document and it can able to execute those based on your input. So for example, you want to transfer ETH to your wallet to your friends or family friends wallet. The one way without this agent technology, you need to go and check what is the appropriate time the transaction fee is low, and then you can able to transfer it. Instead, if you use agent, you can set it up, transfer 10 ETH from my account to my friend's account or family friend's account if and only if the transaction cost is less than $5 or less than $10. You can set the rule. So your wallet will continuously monitor. You don't have to do it. So whenever the condition met, it automatically executes the transaction and it sends you the receipt. So that's the one example of using the smart wallet or wallet integrating with agent technology. So there are a lot of those tasks you can provide for the wallet on your behalf to manage your entire portfolio. You don't have to give everything to that wallet to execute. You can set rules. If any time you are going to purchase ETH, if it is going to be the transaction cost is more than $40 or $10, do not do any transaction. You can set the rule or ask my permission. Then you will get an message notification in your cell phone so that you can approve or disapprove. Then the wallet can execute the transaction. So, and also you can give a temporary access to your entire portfolio for wallet to go and check what are all the account you have, what are all the way it can able to increase the value of your portfolio by actively checking the various protocols. It can do that too. So, and that the session keys, it's only for temporary. It's not permanent that it can able to access all the informations. You can create a rule like that, and the agent, the smart wallet can execute based on that. And automatic execution that it does automatically based on the rule that you set for your wallet agent. So the building blocks of this agent technology with wallet behind the scene is the smart account. So basically, right now, what you do is you sign in into your account and then you go and check the portfolio and then you execute it, whatever you want to do. That is the traditional way of doing it. So instead, if you use a wallet, Then the wallet automatically logins, and then it uses the passkey to unlock your device to send information so that only you and your agent can able to access your account, and it uses the passkeys. So there is no phishing attack, there is no middleman in the attack. All those things are possible with this technology. And the policy engines. So install a plugin and guardrail that comes with the agent technology, with the wallet, so that you can able to use whatever policy you want to use from the off the shelf policy book. And if you want to customize it, you can go ahead and customize it. It's all going to be in the plain English for you to customize it. And also you can set the guardrails. The guardrail could be do not spend any money more than $50. So that could be a guardrail. Or do not use this particular protocol or this particular decentralized application. You can able to set those type of guardrails so that your agent will follow it and use your wallet according to the rules you set it up for it to work on it. And also you can have a custody primitives. Basically, you're splitting your signing across devices. For example, if you want to give your family member access so that you both want to manage the jointly you want to manage the agent, then you can have a capacity for you to authorize, give permission for your friend or a family member to sign on. So you both have to co-sign to do any type of transaction. That's also possible with this technology. So 5 jobs your wallet should do automatically. It's basically there are a lot of jobs it can do, but we will look into the top 5 jobs it can do it for you. Fee and slippage budgeting. So delay non-urgent transaction when the fee hikes. See, there are a lot of transaction your wallet is going to do. So it can monitor the transaction cost of your blockchain network, and whenever it is low, it can able to execute the transaction. I'm talking about the non-urgent transaction. In case of urgent transaction, then it has to do it no matter the price of the transaction fee you need to pay. So all those things you can set it in the policy book, it will execute. And also sometimes the large orders can be split into smaller orders, and it can route to appropriate protocol to reduce the cost for it. See, right now, without all this, you got to manually do it. So, but now the wallet agent can able to do it for you. And allowance hygiene. So the rotate the allowance set per DApp limits, and also you can set whatever the allowance from the each DApp you are going to use, it can able to spend. You can set it up, you can revoke it, you can change it monthly, daily, quarterly. All those things are possible with this technology. And then the smart rebalancing. So it can able to see your portfolio and nudge your positions back to the target during the cheap windows that fit your fee budget during the liquidity condition. See, this, as you all know, the entire crypto blockchain market is 24/7 because people from all over the world can transact, and based on the transaction volume, the price goes up, the price comes down, and also the transaction cost goes up and goes down. So all those things, you don't have to manually manage it. It can able to smartly balance your portfolio based on the conditions, based on the policies you set for your wallet. And then the fourth one is the climb and compound. So it harvests the rewards on schedule when the math clears your hurdle to it can able to harvest the rewards that you accumulate from the transaction, from the engagement that your wallet is doing or you are doing it, so that you can able to collect those periodically and save it within your wallet so that your portfolio can go up. And then the recurring payments, you can set it up a monthly fee that you need to pay, a monthly bills it needs to pay. All those things are possible without you worrying about and managing it manually and executing it manually. So you can able to do it so that you won't forget paying it. Right now, you might have a fee schedule to go and check manually and see when to pay what fee for what app or what transaction. But all those things, the recurring payments, you can able to give it to your wallet. Your wallet smartly manages based on the rules, the policies you set for it. So more automated protection. See, one of the challenge using the crypto is understanding it, setting it up within your browser or within your mobile app, and then using it, creating passphrase, and all those things makes it really difficult for a normal individuals to use and get into crypto to start buying or selling their crypto assets. But with this agent technology, it makes the life easy for the normal customers without understanding a lot more details what get into the managing the wallet. See, for example, one thing is the scam defense. It automatically recognizes the phishing, the template, zero value tricks, and all those things, and it protects you from it automatically. Then the cross-chain housekeeping. So the keeping the working balance where you use them and consolidate dust back to base, it does automatically for you based on the rules you set for your wallet-based agent. And then the income allocation. It automatically converts volatiles earning to stable coins and route to the safety vaults. So it automatically makes this decision based on the policy you set so that it can protect your assets during the volatile market conditions. And then travel mode. If you are traveling, you cannot check your wallet, you cannot check your cell phone because there is no internet connection. You can put it in the travel mode and then it enforces the limit that you set that it needs to execute during the travel mode. So all those things are possible using this wallet technology, and you don't have to manually do it by yourself. So let's see the day in life of a smart wallet. At 7:30, it sees your face and it views your activity digest, what it needs to do, and then it can go and start executing whatever you want to execute for that particular day. It can able to rebalance right away if the market condition occurs based on the rule, or it can delay the rebalance. It can sell some positions, it can buy some positions, and also you can, based on the guardrail you set it up, it can execute everything for you. And then at 11 o'clock, say Popular Mint launches a new blockchain token. Your wallet detects that, and then it can able to see if it is a right one to purchase. And based on the rules that you set, it either executes the transaction if it wants, or it red flags the transaction and saying that, hey, this is not the appropriate mint that you need to be thinking about and buying it. So all those it does for you automatically. And then at 3:15, the AI compute subscription pings for the payment, and you have a buffer that you set it up within your agent. And if the threshold drops below, then it schedules to refill, either asking your permission or it automatically refills, so that it can able to use that money for the transaction for purchasing any positions for you. And then at the night it rebalances, and also it tells what are all the policies that needs to be changed, because it is a smart AI. It can understand your intention, it can understand what it needs to do, so that if any policy change it needs to do, it can able to send you a message, and you can go and edit the policies. You can able to adjust so that the next day it can able to use the new policies and new rules that you set it within the agent. So it could be anything. It could be a gas claims, a liquidity healthy, and then ultimately it wants to make sure that your portfolio increases based on the rules that you set. And also it reads the entire log history, entire transaction history, what happens on that particular day, and it gives you a just a summary of a list that you want to get on your mobile, and also it tells if there is any rules that needs to be changed. So security in plain English. See, automation doesn't mean that you are giving complete control. It takes over without your knowledge. That's not the case. So it makes sure that it always notifies you, and it always uses the safe protection that was built into the agent technology so that your portfolio, your interest, and everything is protected. So it uses the least privilege. So wallet never asks for a blanket approval to sell, to buy anything from you. So you need to make sure that it will never do that without your consent. It will always ask for you, and also it will always tell what exactly the amount it needs, it can spend, it can't spend. All those based on the policies and rules you provide. And then human in the loop, it's been there in the AI agent technology. Agents are not there to completely take over your life and it's an autopilot. That's not the case. It will always ask the human, that's you, for permission to do certain tasks. If he needs to use your credit card, if he needs to purchase based on the rules you set, it will always ask you so that you know what is going on. And then the session keys, even if he needs to access your entire portfolio, it will get access only in a temporary basis. It's not going to use your session keys or the pass keys continuously. It can't, because the session key is valid only for the duration, maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour, so that it can go and check your portfolio. It can go and do things. So you can be assured that the session keys are temporary. And the multi-level approval, if we have multiple family members and friends, you can able to share the agent so that only both the people approves, it executes the transaction. So that's also possible, and it stores everything that it does, so that later on, if you want to review for audit purpose, you can go and review it. And also the agent reads the transactions every day and gives you policy advice. These are all the changes you can make to make your portfolio better, so that you can reduce the transaction fee. Ultimately, it works for you on your behalf 24/7. So this is the time to get into smart wallets and the agent-based wallet, so that it can make your life easy. There are a lot of customers already started using this technology, and Coinbase and crypto.com, all these companies are coming up with the technology for the individual developers to develop this technology, and the companies are already coming up with. So using that, you can able to make your life easy by various tasks. The regular task that you do manually, it can be automated. So it frees you to do other better tasks. Maybe spend time with your family, or do whatever you want to do, instead of manually checking the transaction fee and the changing and going through the portfolio, because there is no way a single person can able to do everything manually, because it's 24/7. You need to take rest, you need to go to bed for your sleep. So give those to agent, so that the agent can able to manage those on your behalf. So the future is now. It's already there are companies incorporating it, and sooner you can able to use the technology and understand it and use it, it's going to make your life easy, so that you can do other meaningful tasks. So that's all I want to discuss in this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Or post it in the YouTube channel. We'll be happy to help you. And if you want to know more about our company, what type of platform you use for analytics, please visit analytickit.com so that you can understand more about us. And if you want to use our analytical products, you can use dpa.analytickit.com and log in, register yourself and log in and start using. And also, we are not into smart browser or agentic based browser technology. We are working on the agentic technology to integrate Web 2 and Web 3 data. So that is different. That we can discuss in some other video. So, but this video is specifically about using the smart technology integrating with your wallet. So if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you. Bye.